Yeah, I know the style. Do you feel me? I know you do. Yes, man. You know this. You know this shit.
I like those.
Hmm? Mommy, you ever run from here?
No, I want to be
What was up? What are the chopping? What? Funky and Lord. Dinner time, dog. Here, walk on. Mommy just done cook my dinner. Come from the other day, she had them and said today she do want to do some barbecue ribs and yellow rice and vegetable and thing. You know, just to straighten up the done. You know I'm a growing boy. I am a growing boy. We have to eat good food. You feel me, Stacy, and walk on, boo? You know the style, princess, ever bless. Yeah, now. Like I tell you nothing. Me tired of the girl them whatever go on like on out and can't cook this plate of food that hit me attack. This plate of food and a nasty in a blood clot, yeah, man. Who do want, man? But you can't cook some food, give me. Koya, Jeremy. Mommy are the best, Tanya. I'm if you tell you, man. Mommy say, you know what? Yeah. But here now. A country me come from. Me not have the time to use knife and fork. Me just catch you and bite. I know. Don't tell me say don't tell. Don't tell me mind me teeth. Me no business. Me broke out the teeth. You must have been serious. Do what?
Slim to the one here.
Fly.
I mean, me can't cook. Hey, party man fly. Well, up. Of course, me can cook, baby. When me cook, you not left me, girl. Believe me, right? Oh, you mean if I pork me and them? Who love them pork mommy? Where the grills there? The grills them me park them, me can't eat in the grills them. They make me eat hot curd. So guess what, when me go eat, me take out the grills them like dentures. You see me? A fashion grills. About $5 me pay for them. A gimmicks grills. You see me, dog? Sierra, you can cook for you anytime you want. What you want me to cook for you? I can cook everything. Yo, you have to eat good food. And you can't fuck nobody girl picnic. You know? My stroke them the week. Because I eat good food and drink good juice. Both ways, you know? You know the style. You know the style going on. Mommy, pumpkin so if you had dinner there. Oh God, man, the food sweet. Dada, me crave me, you know, man. Crave this thing and pretty done.
You feel me?
Do you feel me? Adele! I love you. I love you, Adele. Adele!
Yeah.
Come here and bite this one time. Oh God, the food sweet, man. That good food in your body. All the other thing you're making a hospital.
I have a guess for them.
Mommy, all the other thing leaves for your one.
Okay.
Mommy, up there.
See, I'm hungry. The world.
Body chopping, man.
I'm not a little cute.
Body chopping.
I'm not a little
Mm.
I'm not a little cute. No, I'm not a little I'm a little cute.
Somebody has that.
Cassandra, come feet now because a whole heap of people are running. You don't want to get left. Come in. Come in. Oi. A mommy tell me say, you can talk to her live, you know, and I food there, you know. But when time I eat, I can't talk, dog, I'm crazy in a bed. You see me, brethren? See all them, the best part of food is, you me? You see me? It look like a fucking one. To you, it look like a one. You know what it look like to me? A bone with me, I got fuck up. And that you feel me, there? Look. But me season them things to the bone, you know. Now when you see why my teeth they always are broke. Because me fight with the bone them too much. You feel me? Yeah. Because when you bite the bone them, you know, one piece of juice spring out in your mouth there. Well seasoned. Well seasoned, yeah, man. She's a woman. You know some food? You know some food, woman? Let me eat that. You know my crave of it. My favorite vegetable is cucumber. That's all me eat. My mother always, when my mother buy cucumber, she buy all 15 one time.
I'm a little cute.
I love you, man.
Oh, we're not done. No, what?
Well, you know? Me? Me name it out my hand, them, man. Me a big boy. Yeah, mama love cucumber. Nothing like it is smutty here. I think me did use one cucumber when I time there. Yeah. One time I put condom on cucumber and fuck somebody with it. I still then time me young and couldn't buy a dildo. Money come if you tell him. It's too nice.
You want it either?
But yeah, I couldn't buy a dildo now. And the girl said, she'll give me little like crutches. Yeah, here. Then time the thumper, remember said they cut off thumper, you know. Someone lick a piece of thumper left. You know? That's gonna fuck her. That's gonna fuck her. She feel up thumper though. She feel up thumper. Play with thumper, you know? Mama said she wants something hard in her belly. Rascal. I just go in her fridge, man. A nice size cucumber in there. Yeah, man. Me have to say, Mama, shut up. She better say you boss up. Me boss up. Me boss up, Mama. Hey. You're telling her this. Hey. You don't know what me like you is for? Let me tell you what me masturbate with. You know a carrot? You have some the baby carrots then. What? Danny, what the baby carrot them name?
Give my shoes.
You get it? Shit. Hold on. Me tell you about the baby carrot. What the baby carrot then name? Wanna know why baby carrot then name? Well, if you don't know, alright, me like a slim carrot them. You understand me? Them. Let me tell you which part you not go to like. You see, if the carrot, the tip of it broke off, don't use it because if you strip off your walls them. You see me dog? You strip off the whole of your walls them and give yourself home cancer. What you do is you go in the fridge for the little baby carrot. We have the round mouth. And you use that, ladies. All you do, you get a chair. Get a chair. Sit down on it. Put your finger them from this way with the baby carrot in there. Hold the baby carrot like this. And you just in and out, in and out, in and fucking out. You see one time you should be in here? You must feel good. Me say, oh, hey, make sure say cool. Make sure say cool. Don't use no warm carrot. Don't use no carrot where out, we wanna put them out. They use the carrot them in the bottom of my fridge. You know, so them they in the France. Alright, today away. Sunday. You know what they in the France yesterday morning, so them they well cool. You see what you put in here to your mouth and your pussy? You gonna say, what? Yeah, what? Yeah, that joy. Jump for joy. Why? You don't want no hot in you. You don't want no hot in you. You want something cool in you. Look how the summertime hot now. What me gonna do? I make somebody lie down on top of me in a them big blood clot sun at ya. Them your big dirty thinking sun at ya now. You have somebody gonna lay down on top of you now. For do what? We are let over. Them your weather your name Bacchus weather. A Bacchus weather this man. You see me? I can't wait till the 3-inch girl like a bigger car. Boy, I would love to give somebody a Bacchus with it. But a Bacchus weather. Alright, let me tell you how my cocky work now. Let me tell you how my cocky work now. Alright. What do you want to do on my cocky work? I don't know. I don't know if I tell you how my cocky work. Yeah. Yeah. I can't blood. I'm not telling you. You're too wicked, man. Tell me if you don't want to hear, you don't want to do my cocky work. How me have a set for your right bunny? Because remember it's short, you know. It's short. Them fucking doctor you fuck me up in a life, man. You see me I do them fuck me up in a life, dog. You see me? Alright. If you want it the tallest way, me have to open out my foot them. I am doctor, them me start fuck like girl, you know. Odell. Odell, you see when me lie down on my back, so Odell, one little a tough bump come up, you see me? The bump, tough. Yeah man babes, I'm telling you straight up girl, if me see a me, I'm like y'all certain way, I love y'all. I swear to God, I get a cock stand by you, sweetie. Me get cock stand, me not ask you, tell you, say me would turn up. If me see I'm like you, my would stiff be. Yeah. I'm like that. You understand me? You see what that the tough bump come up now, you see the bump dead you know? You know in a two blood clot 100% big. You do girl in us like to play. You see me rub it yes until it get tough now, then you hear them say, why? They jump off of them blood class, you know, because them say the thing tough. Oh, you son cheese, we don't give a fuck. If you don't jump me, we don't jump me. Me know my vibes, you know. Me say me alright, you know. Yo, you know what this remember say me can't rub crotch in because me have a little bump. That's why me telling you say me ain't a lesbian babe. Me no rub pussy. You see me? Micah, what's up, baby? You see one time me ready now? Ready, man, ready. Ready, man, ready. You just make sure say you can rub your blood class self because yo, missy, my hood full of cum. When you done right it, when you rub your blood clot self on the little tough bump. Like a tough bump, sweat. You see me I deal with? It's sweat, man. You see me I deal with? Remember it, girl, already? I forced me a talk. Remember it, girl, already?
Mm-hmm.
Yanni, go over now, man.
That kind of video
Go over. Me say me breed girl already. No, Tanya, not no pum pum tongue. I don't wish the blood clot. That's why the other day somebody asked me a fucking stupid question and me answered like I done. Who the fuck in the right mind I go and doctor go make somebody draw them pussy tongue for turn in one cocky? You a fucking idiot, man. One of the things that people come as a claims fucker. Mama. Mama, when me a 3 months, mama, man. See the first operation, them man, mama. Mama, anybody ever try to touch my pussy tongue, me stab you up, man. All of the people who you see, get up and go do blood clot injection over there, so if you turn in a man over there, so, and do injection if you turn in a girl over there, so. Big up themselves. But this year, Daniel, not going to do that. Me never need to do that. Father God bless me. You see what I did? He bless me if you can actually get a real erection. Like what time I see a girl me like, oh, my thing get tough. Ice and chaser, me don't give a fuck. Daniel, if you not trouble me not trouble you. Me tell me in my vibes, you know. Me say me alright, you know. Yeah, that day. You see me? Me breed a girl already, man. Good breed. Girl dash from my belly. You see me, I did after me put her. Alright, you see, night when me I beat mama wall. You see me, mama ride for the pipe. You see me? You see me? Mama say, yo, what time you come, don't pull out. Remember me can't too pull out, I got 3 inch, so I just like nothing really in a mama too fully. But mama said don't pull out. You see? Yeah, you know. Hey, you see the one was there all lies a while ago? I want to bet you 1,000 blood clot US. If me can prove that here right now, you come. Oi, me say you see anybody will say a lie, and that day you me wait for no long, you know. I will personally blood clot bet on no. Me have the money, you know, me know me not lose it. Me say dog. Youth, and a joke thing. Make people who know me from your pit me tell you that. You must be a blood clot idiot. You see me? Where's a pum big feet? Well, yeah, dog. What you mean if we pussy them big feet, dog? No one look a piece of cocky man. Where? You see me? Me say me think that. Me say me never do in a woman fully, but enter your boss off. You see me I deal with my boss off.
I'm sorry.
You see? Yo, what I time you used to think say? Them a girl now go like it. My ex-girlfriend they tell you about it, but the whole of them are their best friend. Oh, for real? You buying something too pretty damn? What you mean, man? Dog, you never reach it full. And I like say me have one big thing like on a dog. When me go tell you say me a tickle up people belly bottom that day. Me not tickle nobody belly bottom. But me know me pass your pussy jar them door. You see me I deal with? Me say me pass your pussy jar door. Me not have to go up in your ovaries. Me don't need to go there so. Me don't want to go there so. Me don't want to go in a girl belly bottom. Me want to go in your vagina. That's what I'm going. Oh, you mean? My boss have enough time. Oh, you mean my boss have? Hey, mommy. I pay idiot and this attack. Mommy, I don't know, you know. You know, I said just because someone in Jamaica on education is out of blood clot bliss. Wanna go read a fucking book, no man? Everything when me there start telling you, you know, you can go fucking Google it. Just remember say me a one. And if you don't get it by hermaphrodite, you go Google what the fuck is a she-male. And stop coming over here so I can tell people so they never tell lie. What the fuck more I need to lie about that for? What the fuck you are do over here, sir? Huh? Me no need to tell you if you suck all your mother neither way. You need to go bumbo clock do some research, man. I want to no man no too fucking fool you. You don't think I own alone God did make down here, sir? He make too. And you think I'm alone down here to stay like this? Enough of them walk amongst you and afraid to tell you who they are just because you're not pussy. You feel me? Just because people like you know, oh, be a lie, you need to go blood clot school, dog. Because you always are going to say something and lie, but you never take up a book and read about it yet. Aliens are real, though. You're too bumbo clot enough, man. Why the fuck would I tell such a lie for myself? Are you the bigger clown, my girl? Where the bumbo clot here? Mama, let me tell you this. You're not even for over yourself. Because I'm a female and I'm a male, you know. I two of them. What the fuck you do over yourself? I two for one. You ever use the shampoo there? Conditioner and shampoo in a one. I made that. You feel me? One, two, the dog. If you don't know nothing about that thing, you go research it, man. Go research before you come over here, so come see a lie, man. Or go on anger face, go chuck in your mother. You see me? Let me show you naughty. You see one time Father God did a bill with? You see when Father God did a bill with? Him could have never build no animal neither. He never did have to build goat. He never did have to build cow. He never did have to build none of that shit. He never did have to build people with 13 fingers. He never did have to build somebody with one extra piece of ears up your so, or one extra toe. But because you're so fucking stupid, that's why people are always afraid to come tell you who they are, you know. Because you feel like you know something. But what do you know? Do you come for little education or you come for run your fucking mouth? Which one? People like me now go ever come out to people like Uno because they're afraid of Uno. But me no blood clot afraid of do. Because me born better than blood clot Uno. Me know what it is to be a man and me know what it is to be a woman. You understand me I deal with you? Uno too fucking stupid, dog. If Uno not read something, you don't realize it happen. Go read! You don't go read, man. You need to understand, say, not only people like me exist, but other people who are not even like me exist. I'm afraid to tell you. Because you're so judgmental. Oh, you too lie, man. Where the fuck somebody would have need to come tell a lie like that for themselves? Why would I go show them my surgery them and my operation? Yeah? What do you want me to do? You want me to go for my bum buckle like dacket? Are you to the one? I want to want see picture them when my doctor able to have a Jamaica with me. One time him start my operation at 3 months. You don't want to see that? 3 weeks or whatever 3 the moment. Best about girl you walk over here so can tell me say I lie me I tell. How you want to live like me? Who not dance your fuck?
Ignorance.
Who the ignorance is at bliss, my friend. Who not too fool, man. Let me tell you something. What time you go to school at Jamaica? Them teach you science, you know. A piece of it. Them teaching how food the pit them created. The one them only have body and the one them only have vagina. But they never teach you nothing about we. Someone expect you to know nothing about we. You understand me? I deal? No man, not only that, you know. I want to say and not just that bitch, but other people who are talking. get a fucking phone, go on Google, and you search. And it will tell you. You don't have to take it from me, boo. You small-minded piece of shit. Feel me? Get the fuck off my shit, bro. Feel me? Who the fuck is you, kid? Yeah, girl breed for me a blood clot ready. I want. Want to that. Want to that. Alright, see that's the T tell us she learned about hermaphrodite in high school. Boy, someone boy only just got school if you go take money, man. That's all someone in got school right now. Take man college to blood clot. Do not need to go read that. Yeah. That's why we have fucked enough boy wife and then baby mother. You know what the sweetest thing? But all you know, me used to say, me like, say me look like girl. So one time a man come in the house and see me in there with a woman, me I'll put on battery ride and then something and start do my finger them like so, you know? Like me, you know? Them at yeah. Hello. I'm pretty dumb, you know? Yeah! And one time him come in, him buy the wall and we sitting in there for me. I just done fuck your wife. Proper business, what's up, boo? Yeah, Jada. What are the choppings, my brother? You know the style. Life is a learning experience and I come to teach them and one day when you're on that dark age something. Come out of that dark age and go read a blood clot book. I don't need to say nothing more to you. You understand it? Hi, Afiza. How are you? My boss have, man. My boss have like man and girl, man. I just one thing. One time I come, me sound like girl. Sometime. You know? Woo! Yo, more while one time I came, I sound like a girl, man. Yeah, and then when the man in my chippy now, me grunt. You feel me? Me not no time for moan, me a big man. Me no moan, me grunt like a man. Mm. 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 That them way them and a big man. Me not no time for you go around a girl thing, but you know dog, man a grunt. Like real man, you feel me a deal with that day? Yes man. You man more well one time in the yo, remember one time me have one boyfriend there, you know. Me have one boyfriend in a man. Me no normally make man feel me up, you know. Always tell mommy. Because you see when me get a rose, it get tough. You see me I deal with. And me say, the boy should be handling in my clothes out and nowhere dog. You see me I deal with. And me get a rose. And the boy grab on for the little piece of cocky so. So he grab on for the little piece of cocky. Like so. You know what I mean? And he must say, yeah, one little hood man. And he must back it. Me have a box off me and half fire until him stand on cocky. Yeah. Me a girl, man. What do you, man? You see all the time, hey. You see all the time, more while, when we used to have the boyfriend situation, them. Hey, me have to tell them, watch how you deal with man belly, be. You see me I deal with? Just watch how you deal with man belly. Because me going to give you one Wakanda kick in your ear side, man. You see me I deal with? One Wakanda. You see me I deal with? You know what I deal that? Me say the boy say, you have a little body, man. And me say, boy, you're bucky, you know, man. You man bucky, you fat. Because I saw you have a back down cocky, you know. See that? You hold it so, bucky. You hold that, you hold the cocky so, you know. You just go down with your hands, so. For the rest of the inches them. For the rest of them. Quick. Yeah, man. And then, hey, when me come as a man, me trembling out. Me a real man, me a real. Because you don't know as a man when you come, you can't go like say, you not come. You have to real and make real noise. You know the style. Me say, yo, me say, when you back it, bamba. When they, me say, boy. Me say, boy. You remember that cat say, Mama, me say, boy. Could it be, one of whom? You feel like that, me I try to tell you, man. Because me like get it back. And me nipple them a suck and you bite up me nipple and them, yeah, man. Me more man than one, of course, man. My male testosterone level are very high. You understand me? That's why me have a big old dirty Adam Zapla underneath my neck and make me can't talk like blood clot bunty. Which girl you ever hear can't talk like Rodney? You? Why you get execute? Hey boy, Beanie, me hear you talk about pretty done. Love him. He come out. He tell me truth. Leave the girl. Yeah, man, so when me a fuck, me get like 3 different targets in me though. Yeah, man. Cause me come like a girl, and me come like a man, and me come like a man again. Cause guess what? How society go. You understand me? Me a stooler. Me take long to come. You understand me? I deal with? Me fuck long, baby. Yeah? You see me? I fuck long. You see me? I deal with? When me say me fuck long and a joke thing, boo. You understand me? I deal with? More while me think me can't come to how me a fuck, dog. You see me? I deal with to how me a fuck? It's like me can't come. God bless the little wood. I mean, there's somebody say actually it's so short. If it is little bigger, probably me that come quick. You understand me? But hey, more see more virgin for fuck and see what go happen. You see me? Take off my clothes. Why? You want a strip tease? Not here, not here, not right here. What the fuck? Oh shit, I'll blow you away. Babe, I know say you will blow me away. And I'm tell you how I know that. Kiki, go cook. Nicole, what baby? You understand me? Hey, let me tell you something now. I like hand jobs. I feel me think that. You know? Remember me would little, you know? So, alright, don't call it a hand job. Call it a finger job. You understand me? Catch it with the foot. You see 5 finger them? You know, you see me? Catch it. Catch it. You know what I mean? You see? Catch it. Yeah. It's when you catch the blood clot cocky, son. You work it. You see me? Work it. No, you know what me feel good? I wake up to a stiff other morning time. It shows that my nature still there. You understand me? Me wake up with my wood stiff a morning time, man. Boxers, you know, partially lean up because I'm not going to say lean up. I'm going to say partially lean up because it's not big enough. It's not big, man. No, man. Yo, one girl texts me, she said, Dan, show me your body. I want to see it. You say, yo, B, and also my wood go still, you know. The way my cocky is set up, I have to go into my bank account and transfer from savings to check. I saw me tell Shay. You see me? My cocky is not a museum. You feel what me I deal with? It's not there, so if you come bomba, put on in a now showcase, you're going to walk past look pan. You see me? Yes, me have a period, but my period different from other girl people. I can't wear panty shield the whole fucking month. Because I'm going to have me piss, me see it. Enough boy now get none at all. Hey, let me get my regular finger job them, yeah, man. Then sit there make me curl all me 2 of them. All me 2 of them curl. Yeah. Jesus. Efiza, I love you, baby. Efiza, y'all get me out. Jesus Christ. Where is mood? Dog, you're a man. I don't think if you ask me that question, then, dog. My youth, I don't want no man ask me about my wood, my youth. I feel a way when a man asks me about my wood, dog. Dog, don't ask me about my wood, my youth. Dog, if you don't want to upset me, my youth, don't ask me about my cocky, my youth. You're a girl, dog. Why the girl them not just ask me about my wood? Where the man them come from in this? I don't want to ask about my wood, babe. Why I'm doing, I want to get a style there. If me get a monthly thing, yes, me get my monthly. If it's a 3 day or 1 or so or 2. After, brother, me not have regular period like when me can't breathe and them thing there. Me just bleed because our whole was it if the blood come out there. You feel like me cannot breathe, me can't do none of that. Me not no blood class cycle. We won't have a talk about say, oh, if you want to breathe at this time. I mean, I no fucking time I month when I can't breathe. None at all. Not day, no in the month when I can't breathe. Believe me. Yeah. When I ask more questions, man, I'm ready for the answer now.
Right.
Happy Sunday, man. Happy Sunday. Hey. You see right now? Right now, me just like for you to know say girl out there with half body too. Yeah man, dog, no ask me about me wood man. No man to me would question them man. Me no want hear no man for me would question them. Yeah man, if me hear one more boy ask me about me cocky, me I go this. You playing like me have wood. Bevan go suck out your mama because I don't know why the fuck more than this actually. Bevan, first of all, me not talk to you. Go dive off in your granny. She dead. Dig her up. Okay, boy. Oh, it make me feel? Me rascal. Me up your fuck. Dad, let me tell you nothing. You know how much of them girls out here just like man. What wish them I did me? Go to the blood clot. Go to the when you go to the doctor, go get injection. When you want a fuck box. Hold on now. Would I love to be me? Me glad how me born your fuck. How me cocky feel? Wait time. Cocky say it, yeah, man. Wait time. Let me tell you this. Me see girl come off of that already and it a big white come left on it. So I guess she did enjoy it. This make me feel good enough, to be honest, because I am no much for no one. I am just pretty done and me glad how God separate this sheep from the goats. You understand? Yeah, what? I am just a regular sheep and I am not a goat. So Father God just bring me this way, you know? Me cocky black man. Cocky black. Well, me would look like my belly. You understand me? Yeah. Being a woman, no, I'm not too thick being a woman, dog. Me no, alright. Like, just like what my mother said, I never fear her choice to choose if me a girl or boy. But boy, them choose and I say go on me choose myself being a man. I feel more manly. You understand me? I do more manly things than womanly shit. You feel me? I deal with that. If me want to go to one event and you see one bag of girl them over there so I say yeah girl, say, you know say Kenny, girl, Mr. Kenny didn't love me. I say me now go over there so. But when we see one table with the man them a play a beer that me know over there so I'm bad with the cuss. And them thing them mama tell me get suck over there so me want go. Cause of that me feel like me need for dead away. You see me I deal with? Yeah. Me anytime you go over which part I go on, I look one of them for fuck. You see? Yeah. Yeah, mama look girl hard too. That's the one thing me can't tell you now. When me say so, I I don't mean when I'm in a relationship, you know. You see when I'm in a relationship? If me see as a woman and I like you, me never shy if you can tell you yet. Me happy with myself. Anybody, anybody, when I'm happy with themselves, they won't hang themselves soon. If me have a monthly, me have female, me have lady, go read it on Google and shut the fuck up. If I see one more of you trying to imply like this shit is not real, you're gonna piss me the fuck off, lady. Just go read that shit on Google. Okay? Me happy as fuck. And there's people like all some germs like all them that I can talk about say we have monthly or girl. Listen, lady. Hormones and period. It's different, like a girl. You need to shut up. You feel me? You see, if you don't know what I am, you let me tell you who I am. But don't you imply shit. You don't imply nothing. You don't imply nothing. You don't know what it is, because you are not one of the doctors that will do a surgery like this and you never born so yet, so shut up. But in other news, you see me? Me have to take time with her because she too full, dog. Me don't want to hear one more dog go like that. You think so me never did glad to me born for all of my life, dumb bitch. So let me tell you now. Since we are on Contano, I was not happy all my life about the way me born. I used to beat myself up about it. Why? Who are going to accept me the right way? If me have a boyfriend, if me have a girlfriend. So lady, with the period argument, I wish you could shut the fuck up. You feel me? Because my period has nothing to do with me having male testosterone.
Right.
You hear me? Go read a book. No, baby. You can just read about it, basically, to be honest. Tennessee! hey, let me tell you something, man, boy. When me realize that me have body hair, man, me the kind of shock and, you know, whole heap of sitting there at the same time. And then my mother make me accept myself. When me say, no, you make your born, so you have to just enjoy you. Me not tell no lie. You see one time me ask some girl and me don't have baby to like you know, I think me don't give a very no baby to. And say, yes, mommy, the grandest, you know. I wanted to. But I can't. You see me? I can't. And all the war go on. Me can't give my mother a grandpitney. The only way if me have worries. I have sad days, of course, because some days me get up and I just feel like a bitch today. You can't tell me nothing. Yeah, bad, but get up to that. The battery rider life goodie. You understand me? I want it. I eat my warm. I get up and I put on my dress and I look good. And then days of me get up, my face scrub wicked in the man. Pretty daddy. You can't style me, you know, yo. I saw the style go. I worry for people say, why? I can give a female a baby, of course. Very that. Woman, tell them me I come with
Me?
Tell them me I come with
She a come. She says she coming. Guys, she'll be right back. I don't want to hear right now.
Yo, alright. I guess probably you don't want to know how me piss out. You don't want to know how me piss out, that's all. I'm a mother phone. I'm a mother phone behind yours, man. Yeah. I peep out of the female one. Yeah. Because a tree hold down there, man. The one where the blood come through, the one that me piss through, I have like a body hold there. So because one time me get all the rose and me come out a girl one, me come out a boy one too. You see little I don't know what it come out a boy one. You can't see say all for me little sperm now breed. Nobody too tough. You see that? You see me? More come out a female one than the man one. You understand what I'm doing? Little bit you will see splash up on the cocky head there, just little bit come out a little cocky hole. But me know me breathe sitting already, dog. You see what I'm doing? Mama vomit like whoa, dog. Every time. When mama take a pregnancy test say yes, she breathe. You see me I'm doing? I want to you, dog. Yo, hey, right? 4 hole and my body hole. Me not really count my body hole still, you know. Me not count that hole, you know, because it not really exist, you know, going more shit. You understand? Woo! Hey! Yeah? No, man, I never piss out of my hood yet, you know. I feel like, say, if they're alright, here on me, somebody say my body work now. Because I'm a smart girl, you know. You know, like if you pull down one car and then the gas hose I go a wrong place, you can cut off the gas hose and put it in the right place. I feel like they can cut off the comebacks down a girl part and put the comebacks up a man part. So when time I come up by man part now, I just bust out whole heap. You see me? You see me? Whole heap just bust out. Same time, shower down in place. You see me? I did, yeah man. Yeah man. Because dog, what do you know? What do you when we come out a little out of cocky here? A little bit of blood clot come out, dog. Little bit. Me mean a fucking drop of that shit in a dog. Alright, you see to a little bit? You could have just use your finger and just scrape it off and do the right by your finger. They say, yeah dog, them style me would be. You see me? You see me? Yo, me say them style me cocky. You see when me younger, me know, virgin, I remember my mother tell her that me would stand up every morning, dog. You see me doing? No, then go cut it off. Me have your skin out so fear push in my wood in here. I can't bother with that because it's short, you know. So you have to come in close now. You understand me? It look like rubbing crutches, but I don't rub crutches, you know, because the tough part, the right, yeah, so. So now, me always upon my back of you kill up my blood clot cell. Me kill up my blood clot cell. Me tired. You don't know me sick with all my spine. Me sick with all my blood clot spine in a dog. And you see one time, sometimes me have to stop. And just make she alone at work, you know what I mean? Just rub her pussy on it. Rub her pussy on it. But it's sweet, do you know? Hey, me blood clot. You see how long time you come? You see how long time you come out of man one? You see when me come out of man one? Me blood clot. Yo, me stretch out. Damn, me see one night time me come. You see one night time when me come? It's sweet, you fuck. And me teeth out. Blood. Yo, me I tell you that. Me stiff out. What they say, man? I'm curl up into one of them, you know. Me I tell her, me no moan, me no bitch. You see me? Me grunt like, me grunt. You feel like me I deal with? Me grunt like, You feel like? You have to do that. You understand me I deal with that? when me come out a gal one, me sound like too much gal. Cause remember, you know, the two of them work like how them fi work, you know. The two of them work like how them fi work, you know. So guess what now? You see, man one, when me come out of that, it's sweet. Me is sweeter than the girl one, God know. Me weak, me can't even walk, me need them a tremble. You understand me? Me have to walk. Jano dog. Jano dog. Jano dog. You see what I mean? Find out say it real and I saw this go for Joe. I love it. You see me? You see me? I love it. Me glad say me come out of this and me come out of the other one too. Because it's sweet here, man. Be nothing. Hell no, I ain't on no goddamn period right now. For me period come and stay 2 days or a day and a half. Hey, me don't have a period right now. I don't know either. You want to be my friend? Come be my friend. All of my friends, them, when me tell about it, the whole of them, I say, me don't believe you, me make them feel up now. Yeah, me make them feel up now. As long as you're a girl, as me say, me don't want a bumbo clap, man, I bring no cocky argument to me, dog. Don't tell me if you want to see me with my youth. Don't ask me nothing about me with my dad. The girl man alone for ask me about my old dog. Do I live in Jamaica? Me could have never live in Jamaica and I go and say, you know what time they kill off of me down there already? And my family them have it defending. If me never meet one more like me yet, hey, I wanna be greatest wish for meet one more. I mean, like, you feel like me, I didn't think could have be very, you know? Protection, condom can't fit for my hood. So me always have to fuck beer back. Here we know. That's why me only always keep one girl be. You understand what I deal with? A beer back me think the dog. Right now then I make condom for thumper yet, you know. So me call my cocky, you know, thumper. You see me? Yeah man, thumper. Yo, you see if they did make condom for thumper, me da use it man. Yeah man. Me da use condom. Alright. Let me show you now style. Only if I really need it. You feel like me I deal with, you know man, me have my boots them. What me do? It's like me bust off. You see the top part of the condom, the little part there, and then me dry it down over my thing. And you see me I deal with? Yeah dog. Because guess what? As I was saying at the time, critical out there, you know, you can't make them girls trick you, you know. You can't make them girls, them look at nowadays girls tricky, you know, you see me there? Yeah, dog. Hey, more the whole of the girls, you know, say a summer old name, Thumper. You understand me? I do that's what I call it, because you then chop off piece side and make it Thumper. You see me? Seek asylum, runway, yes sir? A foreign? You know how long me do it? Me keep it real, but 100. Me want meet one more like me. Me know say you out there in the dog. Come be my best friend of youth. You see me a doing? Me have Thumper. Me know you, if you don't cut off your one have Thumper, you must have your one dog. How your one look you now? How your one look you now? A bumbo clock. See me I'm gonna smoke the ice grill, you understand me? You feel me a doing? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you know this time. You know somebody like me in Jamaica? Tell them say me and Thumper want meet them. Yeah, Thumper. Hear me? You see me? Me talk to Thumper, you know? Thumper, listen to me, boy. I'm telling you, boy. Thumper, listen to me. No blood class, somebody thief me fucking me not like them style, you know. See them nowadays style, me not like it. Stop thief me shit. You understand me I doing? Stop thief me fucking shit. Fucker. You see me I doing? So, wanna make the other one like me. Text me. You understand me? Make him text me and tell him, say, listen. Me and Thumper want me and him chill. You understand me I doing? You see Thumper? I boss this. You see me a deal with Tompa? Hey, don't look at me with you. It look like say, oh, your dick small. Tompa, I boss. You with the bum buckle and you want. You see me? Hey, you Tompa. You see Tompa? Every girl that there with me love Tompa. And then they love me like how they love Tompa and then get a fight over Tompa. Then they get a fight over Tompa every day, man. Tompa the boss that day. You see me I deal with, man? Then we get, yo, right now. Last night, the night before that, it was Friday night, me in one club, and a girl walk up to me and she be like, yo, pretty that I love your body now. She give me a lap dance. Canada, big up yourself. She give me a lap dance. And I tell her, say, Tompa. Me tell her, say, Tompa, get tough in the back. Yeah, man. Me say, Tompa, Bill. Tompa, chill out, Tompa. Tompa, go on like we talk. Me I can breathe, yo. me I can breathe them with Tompa, dog. You see me? The tickler, you must say mad. Well, tickler for you. Somebody have a tickle you. Then say me think tough. Ice and cheese. Yo, the girl feel up Tompa, you know. The girl said, Jesus, Tompa real with you. Because when Tompa get stiff, you know. Tompa have a little fatness to it, you know. You understand me? Tompa about this fat. Big man thing, dog. You see me? No, man, we talk my baby care hungry, man. We so send your family money. Tompa, I bust that blood clot, dog. You see me, I deal with daddy? What, yo? Me love, yo, here are the shit in the club as me a kiss up her neck. As me a kiss up her neck and Tompa. Yo, strap. What kind of blood clot strap you talk about, dog? Me dash with the blood clot strap. You see me? Me dash with that. A Tompa alone me a deal with right now. Tompa and a virgin again, you know. And what do you Tompa losing virginity about one good year and so now? Tompa go road the first time in a girl belly. You understand? In a girl pussy jar or wherever it go. You understand what I mean? Me a start use. Yo, right now, you see Tompa? Tompa said, I am Tompa thick. And that me I try to tell you. Me know one girl that love Tompa bad, man. She love Tompa. Cherry, Tompa can't get all sucky, you know? And that's sweet, me. You know? Yo, hold on there. They go for my blood clot light. I'm gonna be your either. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Woman? Hello? Sorry, Yes. Hold on, wait then. Put this inside for you. Yes. Me and Tompa is back. Hey. Me and Tompa come back. All of the girls them want to Tompa. We are fuck on the stay there. Me not show Tompa. You hear that? No, me not go with Tompa. Tompa there. Tompa never leave my side. You see me? And that me love the rub Tompa on the clit and make you come. It's sweet your fuck. It's sweet your fuck that you make you come stab me up on them thing there. It will make you obsessed with me, baby. Hey. Say yes for Tompa. Tompa, boss. Right now, me, somebody a talk about say me fi sell and look off a Tompa. No. Me not sell no look off a Tompa. Me nah make nobody see Tompa. Any girl who wants see Tompa, if you get Tompa. You understand me? You want Tompa? What? Me freak you on. I love it. Hey. So one time me put Tompa in you gonna love it. Cause you never get a wood sweet as a yet in a girl. You know and I say, yo, oh cause quick Cheryl, you alone. You see me? Yeah, we Tompa we mad your dog. I see you Tompa. Yo, cause quick Cherry, you alone. Hey, Cheryl. Cheryl, go with the one. You see this? And when they equal rights Tompa. Yeah. Recently, me start get equal rights for Tompa. Let me tell you, a long time I should have make equal rights to reach Tompa. Cause let me tell you, man. What? You want Tompa? I want to give you Tompa. Let me tell you, you see when I start get Tompa suck? Me never know it did how sweet me so. Me love it, you fuck. Me love it. Me love get head. Head nice. Alright, first of all, nothing I ever feel so sweet for your clit yet, mama. You understand me? Oh shit. I feel like you don't say I want you better than me, man. I want to walk off a Tompa jump right now. Yeah. Yeah, the one who always walking in the fucking sun. Yeah, she mad. They know I'm fucking mad. Somebody say walking in the sun, so. Yeah. Hey. Right now, today is Sunday. Tompa breeze out. Me not even have a brief. You understand me? Me I make Tompa breeze out. You want to see Tompa? Babes, if me ever show you Tompa, me a fucking. Don't ever ask me if you see Tompa or else you're not going to get fucked by pretty damn. Dude, I saw me bunny weed last night, dad. Bunny weed last night, man. Oh, shit. See that? The whole of my shit gone, yeah? The whole of my fucking grabber leaf gone, B. Now I'm going to go to the store and buy more grabber leaf, B. I want me to kill anyone like grabber? That's why I don't want no broke man around me and them thing that beg out my grabber and them thing there, you know. You see me, David? Nothing like you have one amount of blood clot herbs and then you don't have any grabber. It will hurt your feelings. You understand? Yo, right now, Tompa. All my mother laugh when that she hears her, so I call Modi. You know. Mommy laughs until she ball. Yeah, no, me pitney not gonna ever shot like Tompa. Cause me a tall boy, me a 5'11". You hear me? You hear that, boo? My dick, it might shot, but it not gonna bring no shot. None of me pitney they not go shot. Asking for yourself, Nicole, what you asking, baby? Tell me what you asking. What you asking, CP? If you don't you not gonna put up on child support because you're gonna take care of your pitney. This struggle not real, me not go through no fucking struggle. Father God tell me say all vengeance are fame. Me no fi shame about how me born, me fi glad. They need to give me my one show, right? Yeah. More and the rest of them come down. Hey! Me can't give a back shot with Thumper, you stay there. Me will wide out myself and give some head round there. If that you want. Me will find a way to get blood clot round there, yeah? You stay there. Me's a skill, brother. Me's a skill blood clot hombre. You see me? Yeah, man. Right now, me have to hide my cocky from everyone. Yeah. Me have to hide it. Run away. Runner. Yeah, you do, babe. Thank you. Hey, the spoiled fish comment, sir. What are you doing over here? Me never hear of a cocky smell like fish yet. And plus, me have no smell down there, so I me no fucky like Chucky. Why someone have some comment underneath? They say, where the fuck you not go poison yourself, man? Go and go poison your blood clot self, man. Well, I remember if me ever take out my cocky and show it right now, and I say Facebook I go lock you off. Facebook I go lock off this fucking internet you found with. Bumbo clot, too much grabber this in a weed in a dog. You know? A while ago I never have no grabber. And now I put too much grabber in a weed. Oh, that happened. Huh? Oh, that happened. Hey, I want thing me I tell you. I make my mother tell you. Me never smell Thumper yet. Me can't smell Thumper because my mother. If me a clean up girl pussy for them, you don't expect to feel me if dirty? Yeah, idiot? You must be blood clot, man. Members of me to make sure so your drawers clean. Yeah, man, I'm not going to go poison on the blood clots. Because I don't know what the fuck I do over here for. Hey, when the door shock if tomorrow I come out here tuning in a blood clot Pandy River and some hot brazier shove up titty in the ear and them like a style there. Let me tell you about having a relationship with Pretty Dan. It is so easy. Yeah, because you're there with two persons. Two somebody you're there with. You hear that? At all times, remember that you are fucked to somebody. You are now fucking me, Pretty Dan? Yes, me. And then you have Vanice, because you have to finger me to, you know. Or you have to fuck the girl in me to me like them thing there. You understand what I do? I can't help it. I want it do. I want it go on. You see me? But most gay girls don't accept me because them have for them own a blood clot rules in a for them bedroom, boy. Yo, if you want butch, your girl nothing this and your girl nothing that. Move on a bumbo clot. Yeah, mad somebody, man. Me know the rules in my bedroom because me own on the same thing. Me no blood clot butch, me no femme, me no that, me on a room for diet. If you do with me, you have to satisfy me both sides. You know the two for bumbo clot one. Combo, you know. A combo. You ever buy a patty and don't buy cocoa bread? Fucking asshole, yeah. You never know. Me gluten free. No GMO. I mean that. Bumbo clot there. Think like shit. No blood clot. No MSG. I mean if me get 69 and they suck Thumper. Me get Thumper sucker one time. Hey, when me blood clot. At them the time me twinkle like a blood clot bird. Me twinkle. One time, you see how you suck thumper? Pussy glad. When you suck thumper, you know, how me come and you put all my thumper in your mouth, me. Me and bust out the laugh, dog. Take your mouth off, mate. 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 You see me? You know the style. Mommy don't cook long time, Cheryl. I eat start the show. Me I eat some ribs and yellow rice and vegetable and shit. You a femme? More you come satisfy the whole side of me, the whole of them. More you fuck the girl in me and the man in me. Not for no woman can't do that. When I say, oh, there are rules in being gay. Well, that's why me not gay. When I ram too rough. Yeah. When I play too rough, yo. You feel me? Y'all play too fucking rough, kid. Yeah. But now rules. This, nothing happen with one butch. Me and a blood clot butch. Me a pretty dad. Feel me? Yeah, man. Rub by your heart. As some OG kush, you know that style like that? Oi, me, you can do all for me. More your blood clot, do it all for me. Oi, me just want to know so down there with me when I have a big bisexual relationship because me a man and me a woman. That's not. You see? No label. You know this style. Boy, more the what? Yo, you're sure on the jumper. Yeah. Oh shit. What you think? You think so, Ivan? You think so? Anybody we over here, so I go on like say they want to talk tough, leave. Oliver, sick, you're a woman. Oliver, go suck your mummer. And your papa too. Matter of fact, I need to tell you, Pato, go chip his eyes and chew in your suck good father and jump in him and splash up your suck pussy mama. Yeah, daddy, me not no blood clot manners. I swear to God. You see people like all you now. What your name again? Oliver? What your name again? Pussy. Comment again with your suck good mouth. Let me see you again, batty boy. But woman. And that's why enough I want to walk around here and fuck man. I want to know. Because when I describe people by one a blood clot retina, they show, you know. And that on a blood clot, you know. You see, you know, people, it show on say, I want girl that I want to go fuck it. That's why on a blood clot fuck so much man. You hear me I tell you? One of you stop do that. This is the 21st century. Your eyes will fool you. You hear that? Shut up. Believe me, dog. Believe me. Oliver? Oliver said, me if you shut up, me I want woman. Oliver, you get pitney already? You get pitney already? Me can't get none. Come make me a woman. Yeah, man, me want a woman to be herself in my blood clot belly room. Come beat with me. Me can't dog got 2 years now me live a foreign. At Jamaica me there go answer for all of my blood clot life and none of you couldn't touch me. Yeah, me not say me never get touch already, but you get touch back though. You always have to get touch back. And sometimes I touch you before you touch me. Because I don't like them. You get 4 pitney? Me not really have nothing to say about them now. That woman they will lie down and make you come in a she 4 times. She workless and blood clot, yo. One of them should have retarded. You understand me? You, Oliver, should have have to sleep on hospital bench like my mother. That's why you come here and talk out of your so good mouth. It's when you have pitney and you hear one next woman pitney can tell us that them have a thing, you shut up, bro. Remember they say you suck the sour grape and cause your pitney teeth for nedge. Hold your tongue. Because then you are going to get it and your pitney them are going to suffer. Hold your tongue. Remember now, Oliver, me not no pitney. Me not have nothing where I go drop off a yasso and drop yasso, but you have. Shut up. You feel me? Shut up. Yeah, me stop smoke, man. You know what I say? Still, I chew. Me stop smoke. Yeah, in America, them not look for me like how you look for me, Oliver. You know, in America, they tell me I'm special. And they treat me better than how they would treat you, Oliver. Yes, not like me. Oliver, what you do over here, sir? I will invite Oliver. Oliver, you have 4 pitney and I chat so much. Hold your tongue. Me no black on no more, no, Oliver. Because I get to find out that people like you and always have something to say about people like me. Father God black on for me. So me not fuck with you. You just go and talk and make sure so your pitney them grow right. You hear me, Oliver? Oliver, you make sure so none of your son they not gonna turn batty man. And you better make sure none of your daughter they not turn lesbian. You hear that? Yeah. Yeah, man, somebody have to go hold him tongue for you, man. Because it look like you want him pitney them to suffer. Stop it, dog. Lord, the people that pitney. Kiki, could you be me? Are you riding? Are you ever beside me? And I need you, and I love you. You think I joke? Hey, trap for me. Hey, you know that enough Jamaican people make other Jamaicans look bad? I swear to God. And I am going to spit this on a truth. Not all of us are illiterate. Not all of us in Jamaica are illiterate. But you have quite a number of people in Jamaica who are very illiterate. You understand me? You understand? And then for those, we are very sorry. Yeah, man, some of them boys don't want to suck tongue pato, you know. No, Chair, I know I'm going to get my phone yet soon. Yeah, man, right now I know, say, Michael. Me broke boy already with tongue bigger than me. England, big up on yourself. Canada, big up on yourself. United States, big up yourself. You understand me? Alright, he asks me say me ever feel like me want cocky. Then dog, me not just tell you say me born both ways. How you mean? Me have feelings to both. Me a go want fucking on my hole and me a go want my wood get sucked and them thing and me look a jerk off and them thing. You see me I deal with? Yeah, I me no want no dick. Cause me no really me not go tell you no bumbo clot like that. Me no cuddle with man. You hear that? You see me? You see me? Me no bumbo clot cuddle with man, dog. None at all. So, no, me no want a bumbo clot dick. You understand me? Me no want a dick. Because if me want dick, me make me girl finger out it. You see me? Because me know about pussy and it tight. You see me?
I love you. Dog, see all the phone go dead there.